Hello guys, this will be our last video in this course. Well, I'm not good at giving motivational speech and I don't know how to encourage you to start working right now, but please do. Please give 3 hours or 4 hours of your time and start right now to build one of those websites, one of those games. It will only take 3 to 4 hours of your time and it will only take $20 to buy all the necessary domains and hosting and VPS. Okay, it won't take much money, so just stop being lazy and start working right now. If you are following me on Facebook, you should have noticed some of my posts of my students sharing their earning. As you can see, this one is earning like 55 euros per day to 60 euros per day. This one is 150 per day. This guy just started and he is earning up to 8 euros, which is equal to $10 per day. This one is earning like 36 per day. This one is earning like 42 per day. This one is earning like 15 euros per day. You won't believe how proud I am seeing that my simple method, my simple invention is changing the life of many people around the world. I'm really proud of the people who are trying their best to change their lives, so try your luck too. I'm here to help you if you need anything. Thanks again for buying my course. Please don't forget to leave a positive feedback. I have tried hard to explain everything for you, and I have tried my best to share one of my biggest invention in the online marketing. Okay, thank you again and good luck.